So shuttle 1641, after passing 4,000 feet, right turn direct rise, climb now 6,000 feet.
After 4,000 to rise and to climb 6,000 feet, no shuttle 1641.
Emirates 23, taxi stand 16.
Taxi stand 16, Emirates 23.
Shuttle 1641, contact Scottish Control 124.5, goodbye.
1245, bye bye, no shuttle 1641.
Traffic's 4 miles, vacate when ready, ops 1.
For clear to land, wind 250, 18 knots.
Scottish Citation, route Atlantic.
One re-enter 24 at midpoint, traffic 8 miles.
Enter runway 24 from the midpoint, traffic 8 miles, ops 1 top.
777, taxi holding point, Mike 1.
Onto the 777, taxi on point.
Fire 45 Charlie, requesting taxi.
545 Charlie, taxi holding point, Alpha 16.
Taxi Alpha 16, fire 4.
Flight 3 Bravo Yankee, you ready after the lander?
Please, fine, have you been with you?
The 3 Bravo Yankee, roger behind the landing, citation, line up, wait 24 behind.
Landing citation, line up, way behind, easy, flight 3 Bravo.
Brilliant, 2 Fox X-ray, taxi holding point, Delta 1.
Delta 1, runway 2 Fox X-ray.
Original navigation to Atlantic, descent flight number 100.
Descent flight number 100, navigation to Atlantic, 5 still pick up.
TJ alert or alien. No problem.
Charlie, taxi holding point, Delta 1.
Delta 1, fire 45 Charlie.
By Delta 1, line up and wait for the 24.
By Delta 1, line up and wait, runway 24, runway 2 Fox driver.
Kilo Whiskey, Edinburgh Airport, roger, continue approach, 1 departure ahead.
Continue approach, 4 Kilo Whiskey.